Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of a little baby craft room tour. I was inspired by Lacey, who is Laces and Ribbons here on YouTube. She showed like the current status of her craft room. So I was like, you know what? I haven't done one since I've moved in. My stuff is basically where it's going to be, and I don't like the way that it looks. So I'm probably gonna have like a full craft room renovation next year or end of this year. But so there's two like double French doors. My Rascog cart like doesn't fit anywhere. And then it just kind of holds like the place of empty bins, like containers I shouldn't have bought, and they're just there. And my trash bag just hanging. But I do have the Walmart knockoff IKEA bins right here. Those cute boxes. Everything's pretty much labeled, like all my like papers, my fancy like, you know, they're labeled acetate, cardstock. These are all 12 by 12s. All my beads and stuff. I was die cutting, making some bag toppers, so there's just stuff down there. And then I'm organizing all my dies so they're a hot mess and not where they need to be. As you can see, they're over here. So I'm working on this bin currently. I already have one bin down. This one's almost done. And then those like randoms that haven't even been sorted yet. This stuff, everything that's inside of it is going to be like destashing soon. Like I just need to go through, like, I don't know. I think when I started crafting, you know, I had FOMO. So I was just buying stuff to buy it because I could, and I wanted it at that time. And now it's just like, it's sitting here. I haven't touched it in years. So I am going to be destashing like so much stuff, like all of this, die cuts, like fabrics, glitters, rhinestone containers, like these collections, because I'm probably gonna regret it later, but I'm like, I'm not gonna use it. So yeah, lots of destash stuff to come. So that'll like clear up that whole section. This chair that I was supposed to get rid of, it's like somehow migrated over here. This is a hot mess. I need to we were getting our tax stuff back, so I need to put all that away. My husband's area, backpack, computer stuff. I'm like, we just need to, like, I need to throw that box out. It's so much clutter. Like this to me is very like, I've got spaceship camera lights everywhere. I mean, but I record, you know, so I kind of need those there. I don't know another solution. I'm gonna have to do like a 2x4 on the ceiling and have the lights hang down that way. I don't know, like to make it not look so chaotic right here. This area is pretty clean because I just had to clean it for photos for something, but my friend Anne gifted that to me. I've got like, you know, my glues and stuff over here. My sequins I'm like currently working with, my mixes, my flowers and stuff, just like easy. I can easily grab it, but that's ugly. Like I think I need to buy more things like this, or like maybe the Dollar Tree version, and then stick those in there, like little drawers. My pens and scissors and all that. Again, stuff I'm like working on right here. My sewing machine, like I don't like that it's right there. All my drawers, my thread and stuff. I still love these acrylic drawers from Michaels, even though they all came half cracked. But like all my charms and doodads are in these guys. Sequins, Niagara Falls right here. So many. All my IKEA bins and containers, like just more empty. Those are more empty wire things. Just stuff I was trying to organize like within the bins. So I need to do that more before I do like a full-blown craft room tour. I don't even know what's in these. I can't even reach those. I mean, I can, the bottom ones, but I don't know. I don't know what's in them because I can't see. And then these guys, so when I moved, I kind of just dumped the drawers out into boxes because these actual things are kind of heavy. So stuff's not even, like when I went all fancy with my vinyl and labeled these, like that's not even what's in those things anymore. So it's like I need to go through, I don't know, these having four kids really cramping my time. I don't have time to organize or craft, but I am soaking up all those baby moments because I know they grow up so fast. And one day when I'm an empty nester, I will have a craft room to craft in all day long. Where's my trash can? So until then, I get to look at it kind of, this chair's got to go. It's too bulky and big, hurts my husband's back. He's been using my chair. My paper storage, I still love that thing. Boxes that I'm like keeping for I don't know what, but they're up there. And then this is the Murphy bed. It comes down and there's like stuff up there. And then I am hosting a swap right now. So it literally just lifts up and I have my swap packages down below. And I just put that. Here are my 12 by 12 collections, I think. Yeah, I had these, where are they? So I had these little things. I've been labeling stuff, like just so I know, because this is a new craft room and I'm not remembering where everything is. So they say kits. These boxes were labeled and I don't know who ripped them off. Somebody, one of the kids, like altering stuff. Like, who did this? Do you see this? Life with children. Oh my gosh. That goes right there. This is my Nouveau wall. And then this wall I leave blank because my husband, he works from home and he does sometimes have to get on like a video, what is that called? Zoom stuff. He can't be having like he can't be having this in the background, you know? Sometimes they don't want those fake backgrounds and stuff. So yeah, this is just, it's very chaotic right now. But I do think I want to draw up I don't know, like somehow built-in shelves or something, built-in cabinetry, permanent cabinetry. And this giant thing is one IKEA table. It's connected to my IKEA, connects to it. There's hardware that connects, and then there's pull legs. There's a pull leg right there, and then there's a pull leg right here, and then this is another IKEA desk right here. So it's like I want it covered. The wires, the cables, like there's just so much going on. That might be my next craft room tour. All right, bye guys.